Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. The Jeep Cherokee offers a great balance of comfort and performance, but with a few smart accessories, it becomes even more functional. In this video, we're going through 25 practical accessories made just for the Jeep Cherokee. From interior upgrades to protective gear and exterior enhancements, these picks are designed to improve your overall driving experience. They help maintain cleanliness, add organization, and boost everyday usability. Whether it's daily driving or weekend trips, these upgrades come in handy. All items are available on Amazon. Check the links in the description below. Let's get started. The very first thing, you can add floor mats for Jeep Cherokee. Protect your interior from the elements with precision-engineered floor mats. These all-weather liners are custom contoured to fit the footwells of your Jeep Cherokee perfectly, trapping mud, snow, and spills with their deep-ribbed channels. Made from heavy-duty, flexible TPE, they stay secure without sliding and are incredibly easy to hose off after a weekend on the trails. Keep your carpets in showroom condition regardless of where your adventure takes you. Next on the list is trunk mat for Jeep Cherokee. Your cargo area takes a beating, but it doesn't have to show it. This trunk mat provides a rugged, waterproof barrier for your Jeep Cherokee's rear storage space. Whether you're hauling muddy hiking boots or leaky groceries, the raised lip design ensures liquids stay contained and off your factory upholstery. The slip-resistant surface keeps your gear from sliding during sharp turns, making it the ultimate functional upgrade for any active owner. Next, must have retractable cargo cover for Jeep Cherokee. Keep your valuables out of sight and protected from the sun with a retractable cargo cover. This security shield is designed to snap into the factory mounting points of your Jeep Cherokee, providing a clean, integrated look. It keeps your groceries cool by blocking direct sunlight and gives you peace of mind when parking in public areas. The smooth, spring-loaded mechanism allows you to pull it shut or retract it in seconds whenever you need full access to your trunk. Next item in our list is roof rack's crossbar for Jeep Cherokee. Unlock your Jeep's full hauling potential with a set of aerodynamic roof rack crossbars. These bars provide a sturdy, high-capacity foundation for mounting bike racks, kayaks, or extra-large cargo boxes. Engineered specifically for the Cherokee's roof rails, they feature a low-profile design to minimize wind noise and drag. They are built to handle heavy loads with ease, ensuring your outdoor gear stays secure from the driveway to the campsite. Next on the list, envelope-style cargo net for Jeep Cherokee. Stop your groceries and small gear from rolling around the trunk during every commute. This envelope-style cargo net creates a secure, hammock-like pocket at the rear of your Jeep Cherokee. The high elastic mesh expands to hold bulky items while keeping everything upright and easy to reach. It hooks directly into the existing loops in your cargo area, providing a simple yet highly effective way to stay organized and prevent fragile items from tipping over. Next, we have anti-dust cup holder inserts for Jeep Cherokee. Eliminate the hassle of cleaning sticky crumbs and dust out of your center console. These anti-dust cup holder inserts are precision-cut rubber pads that fit perfectly into every nook and cranny of your Jeep Cherokee. They feature a non-slip texture to stop phone and key rattles and come with small tabs for easy removal. With various color trim options available, they offer a subtle custom look while keeping your high-traffic interior surfaces looking spotless. Next item on the list is door sill protector for Jeep Cherokee. Prevent unsightly scuffs and paint chips every time you step into your SUV. These door sill protectors act as a rugged shield for the entry points of your Jeep Cherokee. Available in durable stainless steel or heavy-duty rubber, they handle the friction of muddy boots and heavy foot traffic with ease. The sleek, low-profile design enhances your door frame's appearance while preserving the underlying factory paint, helping to maintain your vehicle's long-term resale value. Coming up next, front grille mesh inserts trim for Jeep Cherokee. Give your front end an aggressive, custom makeover with front grille mesh inserts. These trim pieces are designed to fit perfectly into the iconic 7-slot grille of your Jeep Cherokee, providing a more rugged and sophisticated look. Beyond aesthetics, the sturdy mesh pattern helps protect your radiator from road debris and insects without restricting essential airflow. It's a high-impact styling upgrade that installs in minutes with automotive-grade adhesive for a secure, long-lasting fit. Next, must have AC audio knob cover for Jeep Cherokee. Upgrade your dashboard's tactile feel with premium AC and audio knob covers. These precision-machined aluminum accents slide right over your factory dials for an instant high-end look. The knurled surface provides a better grip when adjusting your climate or volume, while the vibrant colors allow you to personalize your cockpit. They are a simple peel-and-stick modification that protects your original knobs from wear and adds a touch of custom luxury to your center stack. Next item in our list, windshield sunshade for Jeep Cherokee. Beat the heat and protect your electronics with a custom-fit windshield sunshade. Specifically measured for the Jeep Cherokee's large glass area, this shade reflects harmful UV rays to keep your cabin significantly cooler on summer days. It prevents your dashboard from cracking and your steering wheel from becoming too hot to touch. The triple laminated construction is both durable and easy to fold, making it a daily essential for preserving your interior and improving comfort. Next accessory in our list is trailer hitch for Jeep Cherokee. Unlock the full utility of your SUV with a heavy-duty trailer hitch. Specifically engineered to integrate with the Jeep Cherokee frame, these hitches provide a secure mounting point for bike racks, cargo carriers, or utility trailers. Most options feature a standard 2-inch receiver and a durable powder-coated finish to resist rust and corrosion from the elements. Whether you are hauling gear for a move or taking the family bikes to the park, this is a must-have for maximizing your vehicle's towing and transport capabilities. Coming up next, dashboard cover mat for Jeep Cherokee. Protect your interior from the harsh effects of the sun while eliminating distracting windshield glare. This custom-fit dashboard cover is designed to follow the precise contours and air vents of your Jeep Cherokee. It acts as a thermal barrier to keep your cabin cooler and prevents the factory plastic from fading or cracking over time. The soft fabric adds a refined look to your cockpit and provides a non-slip surface for your small dash accessories, ensuring a safer and more comfortable drive. Next, must-have screen protector for Jeep Cherokee. Keep your infotainment system looking brand new with a tempered glass screen protector. Custom cut for the Jeep Cherokee's display, it provides a tough, scratch-resistant layer that shields against fingerprints and accidental impacts. The 9H hardness ensures maximum protection without sacrificing touch sensitivity or screen clarity. It's an essential safeguard for your vehicle's most important digital interface, keeping your maps and media crystal clear and smudge-free every time you get behind the wheel. Next item in our list, rain guards for Jeep Cherokee. Enjoy fresh air circulation regardless of the weather outside with a set of sleek rain guards. These wind deflectors allow you to leave your windows cracked during a storm without letting water inside the cabin. They help reduce wind noise at highway speeds and minimize interior heat buildup when parked in the sun. Designed to follow the Cherokee's window line seamlessly, they offer a functional upgrade that improves airflow and passenger comfort throughout every season. The next item on our list is leather seat cover for Jeep Cherokee. Give your cabin a massive luxury upgrade while providing total protection for your original upholstery. These custom-fit leather seat covers are tailored for a second skin fit that won't bunch or slide. They offer a waterproof and durable barrier against spills, dirt, and pet hair, making them perfect for an active lifestyle. The premium material is easy to wipe clean and adds a sophisticated look to your interior, significantly enhancing your vehicle's comfort and resale value. Next on the list is pedal commander for Jeep Cherokee. Eliminate throttle lag and take full control of your driving experience. The pedal commander is a plug-and-play performance part that allows you to customize your Jeep Cherokee's throttle sensitivity. With multiple modes including Eco, City, Sport, and Sport Plus, you can choose between faster acceleration or better fuel economy. It doesn't void your warranty and gives your vehicle a much more responsive and sporty feel, whether you are merging onto the highway or navigating city traffic. Next, must-have lift kit for Jeep Cherokee. Take your off-road capability to the next level with a dedicated lift kit. Designed to increase ground clearance, these kits allow you to fit larger tires and tackle tougher terrain without bottoming out. Whether you're looking for a modest leveling kit or a full suspension upgrade, it provides the rugged stance your Jeep Cherokee was built for. Enhance your approach and departure angles while giving your SUV a commanding presence on and off the road. Coming up next, trunk organizer for Jeep Cherokee. Master your storage space and keep your gear perfectly sorted during every transit. This heavy-duty trunk organizer is built to handle the versatile cargo area of the Jeep Cherokee. It features multiple reinforced compartments to secure everything from emergency tools to your weekly grocery haul. The non-slip bottom ensures it stays in place during sharp turns, and the collapsible design allows you to fold it flat when you need the full floor space. Say goodbye to trunk clutter and enjoy a tidy cabin. Next, must-have bright interior lights kit for Jeep Cherokee. Transform your cabin from dim to brilliant with a high-output LED interior light kit. These energy-efficient bulbs replace your factory halogen lights to provide a much cleaner, modern white light. They make it significantly easier to find items in the dark and improve visibility for all passengers. The plug-and-play installation means you can upgrade your dome, map, and trunk lights in minutes, giving your Jeep Cherokee a premium, high-tech feel whenever the sun goes down. Next item in our list is custom-fit car cover for Jeep Cherokee. Shield your vehicle from the elements with a heavy-duty custom-fit car cover. Tailored to the exact dimensions of the Jeep Cherokee, it provides full-body protection against rain, snow, and harmful UV rays. The multi-layered fabric is breathable to prevent moisture buildup, while the soft inner lining protects your paint from scratches. It's the ultimate defense for anyone who parks outdoors, keeping your SUV clean and preserving the showroom finish through every season. Next product on the list is key fob cover for Jeep Cherokee. Keep your remote looking brand new while adding a personalized touch. This key fob cover provides a rugged layer of protection against drops, scratches, and liquid spills for your Jeep Cherokee remote. The precision molding ensures that every button remains easy to press and the signal stays strong. Available in various colors and finishes, it is a simple way to identify your keys and prevent expensive replacement costs. Protect your most important tool with this durable, stylish, and shock-absorbent sleeve. Coming up next, we have seat gap filler for Jeep Cherokee. Stop the black hole between your seat and console from swallowing your phone, keys, and snacks. This seat gap filler is designed to fit snugly into the space of your Jeep Cherokee, moving back and forth with your seat adjustments. It creates a seamless barrier that catches falling items before they reach the floor. The sleek, durable material matches your interior trim perfectly, providing a low-profile solution that keeps your cabin organized and your most important items within easy reach at all times. Next, must-have dash cam for Jeep Cherokee. Drive with total peace of mind and record every detail of your journey. This front and rear dash cam system provides high-definition coverage for your Jeep Cherokee, capturing the path ahead and the traffic behind. It offers vital evidence in case of an accident and features parking monitoring to watch over your vehicle while you are away. With loop recording and G-sensor technology, your footage is always secure and ready when you need it. It is a smart security upgrade that keeps a second set of eyes on your surroundings. Next item in our list is steering wheel cover for Jeep Cherokee. Enhance your grip and add a layer of rugged luxury to every turn. This steering wheel cover is designed to fit the Jeep Cherokee wheel like a glove, providing a comfortable and secure feel in all driving conditions. It protects your factory leather from oils, sweat, and sun damage that can cause peeling or fading over time. The breathable material ensures a steady temperature in both summer heat and winter cold. Elevate your driving experience with a premium texture that makes every maneuver feel more controlled and refined. Next, we have car trunk hanging organizer for Jeep Cherokee. Reclaim your floor space and keep your essentials perfectly sorted behind the seats. This car trunk hanging organizer attaches to the rear headrests of your Jeep Cherokee, utilizing the unused vertical space in your cargo area. It features deep pockets for cleaning supplies, emergency gear, and small tools, keeping them upright and easy to reach. This design leaves your main trunk floor completely open for larger items like luggage or strollers. It is the ultimate storage solution for drivers who need to keep their gear organized and accessible. Enhance your Jeep Cherokee with accessories that make every journey smoother and more organized. Whether it's keeping your cabin tidy or protecting your exterior, these additions are built to improve your overall driving experience. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. For more content like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel.